So following up from that definition just now, the Gevme virtual venue is a customizable virtual space which is built on top of a foundation, specially designed with events in mind, and thus with out-of-the-box features and services for live event interaction. So I think the easiest way here is to show you some examples. So the types of Gevme virtual venues that we have. First is the 2D virtual venue. So this looks like your typical websites, but it's more than just that. Like what I was just saying just now, they are built on top of the Gevme foundation. So therefore, they support live interaction. They have engagement components out of the box, like the chat, the live bar on the right, messages, notifications. So all of these, our venues have these out of the box, right? So we have 2D. We also have 3D, what we call 3D perspective or 3D flat venues. So these venues give the impression of 3D, but they are not really rendered in 3D. So they are, end of the day, they are just flat images of 3D scenes that have been exported from a 3D software. And then on top of which we have added hotspots or interactive areas, so where you can click and then navigate around. But they are static, and you cannot really move around within these venues. There's also 3D panorama. So that's the next type of venue. These venues, they use the panorama method to actually create an illusion of 3D. Again, it's not real 3D rendered in the browser, but they just achieve that by stitching images together and then giving the impression of 3D. But here you can, like you can see, you can move around, you can rotate the view. Then of course there are clickable areas again. So that's what we term as 3D panorama. The next one would be 3D immersive. So this is where real 3D actually comes into play. And this is leveraging a technology called WebGL that can be rendered in the browser and without any plugins that the attendee needs to install. So here it's really immersive, and it's just like a first person or third person kind of game where you can walk around. So we have this type here. And then that's another type where here you see you're having an avatar and you're able to see the other attendees. And so exactly like a kind of game here.